How to remove text from a video on VN Editor app. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily delete the text from any video on VN Editor app. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your VN Editor app and create a project, or if there is an existing project, you could just work on it. So from here, what you want to do is if you want to add text or subtitles, what you could do is tap on this plus icon at the top here and then click on text. So if you want to add a body text, a heading or a subheading, you could do that as well. So I'm just going to add a video input title. So let me just add something like sunflowers, make it a bit more appealing by adding these kind of texts. So let's just make it yellow, increase the opacity, change the text size if you want, and then tap on done. So if you have a text something like this on your video and you want to delete it, in that case, you are just gonna have to select the text itself first, and then you have a delete option right here at the bottom, or you could just delete it from here where you see the keyframe, lock, duplicate, and other options. Once you tap on delete, the selected text will be deleted. And that's it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys next time.